cow. Mira is washing a cow. Yes, it's cleaned. Wash it. Wash it. A lion. It's a lion. Mira is cleaning the all animals. And Mira learned the all animals, wild animals and farm animals. There are 16 animals here. Farm animals and wild animals. All of them are dirty. Mira, now you can pour the water into the pool. Now Mira is pouring the water into the pool. Mira is cleaning the all animals, farm animals and wild animals. Mira, you can pour all waters. You can pour all waters into the pool. A dog, a tiger, a lion, a cow, a bull, a rhino, a goat, a cheetah, a tiger, an elephant, a lion, a pig. Mira, you can wash all animals. Yes, clean them. Yes, what is this? It's a tiger. Mira learned wild animals and farm animals. Wash it, Mira. Thank you. Thank you so much. No, give the tiger. Thank you. And wash other it. And it's a dog. Mira washes the dog. Thank you, Mira. A cow. Mira is washing a cow. Yes, it's cleaned. Wash it. Wash it. A lion. It's a lion. Yes. It's cleaned. Thank you, Mira. A lion. And wash them. Yes. It's a zebra. Mira is washing a zebra. Thank you, Mira. And wash it, elephant. Wash the elephant. Where is the elephant? Yes, wash the elephant. Elephant. Thank you, Mira. Wash the lion. Yes, it's a lion. Thank you, Mira. You know the wild animals and farm animals. You love all of them. Mira loves animals. Thank you, Mira. Now, Mira is helping the animals. All animals are dirty. Wash the pig. Wash the pig, Mira. It's a pig. Yes, Mira is washing a pig. Thank you, Mira. And where's horse? No? Where's horse? Horse? Yes. Thank you, Mira. Mira is washing a horse. Mira is cleaning the horse. Mira is a smart girl. Thank you. Where's the giraffe? Giraffe? Yes, it's a giraffe. Clean the giraffe, Mira. Clean the giraffe. Thank you. It's cleaned. Where is cheetah? Where's cheetah? Yes, cheetah is here. And go over there. Okay. Clean in the water. Clean in the water. Okay. Thank you. Mira, clean the cheetah. A clean cheetah. And where's the bull? Where's the bull? Yes, it's a bull. Mira is cleaning a bull. Mira doesn't afraid any animals. Mira loves all of them. Thank you, Mira. Okay. You can give it. Give me. Thank you. Where's the rhino? Where's the rhino? No, it's a tiger. It's a tiger. No. Yes, it's a rhino. No. It's a rhino. Yes. It's good. Thank you, Mira. Where is the tiger? Where is the tiger? Yes, it's a tiger. Mira is cleaning the tiger. Thank you, Mira. And clean the other rhino. Rhino, it's a rhino, yes. Mira is cleaning the rhino. Clean in the water. Clean in the water. Yes. Thank you, Mira. Okay, give me. Rhino, a clean rhino. And last goat. Clean the goat. Thank you, Mira. Okay. Mira, you cleaned all animals. Thank you, Mira. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Give me a kiss.